Hello everyone, here's the progress for the shed build. I got the 4 posts installed and I got the OSB laid with the slope both this way and this way and this way. So I want the water to drain out of the middle down here and into a couple of water tanks or something that will be used for the garden. By the way, this is Texas skies every day like this. Sometimes even better. Anyway, this is the progress that I have so far. I just got I've left about 5 or 6 of the wall plywood or OSB or whatever it's called to add or to install, and we're going to continue with the railing and the roofing material, which should be fun. Thanks, bye.